What's up, guys? Got a pair of shoes here, Air Max 90s. They're not the coolest in the world, but I'm going to show you them anyway. I got them for 75 Canadian, which is like 60 US-ish. They're pretty cool. They're pretty wild, you know? Nice little colorway. Interesting sneakers, in my opinion. Good leather too. Let's take a second to look at them up close and personal. You can see it's a pretty nice shoe, you know? Got some nice materials. Pretty nice if you ask me. I'm gonna throw these on as always, because I might as well, just so you can see how they look. I know a lot of you like my sneaker choices, so you subscribe to the channel. Might as well tell you now. I end up buying stuff because it's cheap more than I end up buying stuff because I like it. Because the stuff I actually like, honestly I can't afford it. Like, it's impossible, you know? Otherwise you see me walking around with no shoes and a Lamborghini, you know what I mean? Gonna throw these on here. Air Max 90. Wow, these fit me really nice for a size 13, wow. Might even wear these one day. I should say that these aren't mine, they're my brother's, but pretty solid sneakers. I can't hate on these at all. I probably wouldn't have bought them at the price tag, but you know, they're pretty fire. I know a lot of you are interested in the denim I wear. I gotta say that these are Scotch and Soda. There's a link in the description if you want to buy them on Amazon. The cool thing about these is that they stack really well. That's what this effect is called here. It's called stacking, I think. And the reason mine stacks so well is because I buy, like, the length is like 1 or 2 sizes too big. So I wear like a 30-34. When really I only need like a 32 or 30 length. I probably need a 32 length and I wear 34. So I get a nice little stack here because the pants are technically too long. Once they're on, they look pretty fire. Oh my god, they're way nicer than I ever thought, you know? Let me just cut the light down a tiny bit so you can like get a better understanding of how they look. Maybe put these in focus a little bit more. That's perfect, you know? Like, a pair of sneakers like this, you really can't go wrong. Like, I know like 75 Canadian is a sick price. Sometimes my sneakers are even cheaper than that. But for a shoe like this, which you can literally wear forever, because when they get super dirty, they don't even look that bad. They kind of look better sometimes, you know? I'm really satisfied with these, you know? I recommend them. If you want the pants, check them out on Amazon. If you like the YouTube channel, like the video, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Get me to start posting more often, please. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.